We have a cheese quesadilla.
What are you eating?
Fishies.
Goldfishes?
I'll get ready and stuff, so it'll be like...
In the bottom. Hot. Just put that in there.
A cooking show?
Yeah. A little stiff. Oh, shoot, I burnt it. Look at it.
Well...
That looks horrible. Can't eat that. Babe. Oh, look at this. Just want a good one.
Where's the cheese?
God dang it. Oh man, this thing's black. I don't want to do it. If you can get past that black, oh hot. Oh, the meatball are good though.
Are you going to blow out the rest of this?
Oh my god.
You just put everything on one half. So put the cheese on the half, and then you just...
Which half do you put it on though?
Whatever half you're seeing, it's on super low.
Super low.
Yeah. But I left cheese out if you want. You already had one.
If you made one for me, it wouldn't be as good as that one.
Stop.
Smell.
No.
Black.
I didn't put that much cheese on it.
You're a quesadilla expert. Those are some nice quesadillas right there.